New Earth, product training with a focus on alpha, Phenoxaminone floss aqua microalgae. Wild harvest and processing. Organic microalgae is a fragile organism. New Earth uses sophisticated technological know-how to harvest, cool, process, and gently dry this organic treasure. Our unparalleled quality control preserves AFA's delicate balance of nutrients and even the enzymatic activity. New Earth goes from lake harvest to quick cooling to multiple cleanings to water removal, fast freezing and storage, all in under 5 hours, guaranteeing you have the best nutrient retention available. GMP manufacturing. We maintain our own manufacturing facilities that are registered by the NSF International to FDA's Good Manufacturing Practices, or GMP, and we are also certified GMP for sport in our entire facility. This means that any athlete, clear up to and including Olympic athletes and pros, are able to use any of our products knowing that they will never have to worry about testing negatively. Our certifications are important to us. We know that third-party certifications guarantee you our quality control. We have earned the certifications of kosher, halal, paleo, and USDA organic, as well as wild crafted. We focus on natural regeneration and preserving the ecosystem of our algae. New Earth's algae is wild harvested, and each year it regenerates naturally in the Klamath Lake. This is the only place on the planet where this edible microalgae is harvested. The lake is a unique ecosystem whose headwaters are located in a pristine mountainous region near Crater Lake National Park. From harvest to cooling to freezing to our low temperature drying, all of our certifications and our manufacturing and our certified GMP facility, you know that you are getting the best quality and safest product that is available anywhere on the market. So what is alpha microalgae? Well, what food has 6 times more antioxidants than blueberries, 5 times the fiber of oatmeal, 6 times more calcium than milk, twice the protein of beef, more chlorophyll than wheatgrass juice, more iron than spinach, and more beta-carotene than carrots? It's the oldest life on Earth. Blue-green microalgae is truly an amazing food. The micronutrients found in AFA include all 20 amino acids, all the vitamins, omega-6 and omega-3 essential fatty acids, many powerful antioxidants, dozens of microminerals, all of which the human body need, glyconutrient cell wall, powerful pigments, and many more other phytonutrients. Let's take a look at the essential amino acid chart. This is a comparison of the ideal amino acid profile for humans as determined by the Food and Nutrition Council and the amino acid profile of essential amino acids found in AFA algae. You'll notice that they are nearly identical one to the next. It is, in fact, the closest match to the ideal human need outside of mother's milk. Let's take a look at what vitamins are found in alpha. Beta-carotene, several hundred times the amount you need daily for vitamin A. B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, B12. Not only does it contain a complete B vitamin complex, algae is the richest source of methylcobalamin in the entire world, far better than even meat. Vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin H, vitamin K, inositol. Vitamin D is listed here, and there is a very minute amount of vitamin D even found in alpha algae. Let's take a look at the essential fatty acids in AFA algae. By weight, 38% of the AFA algae is omega-3 essential fatty acids, including even DHA and EPA. There is also some omega-6 essential fatty acids found in algae, and this is important. Science is beginning to recognize that when you have, and even if you have an omega-3 lack, that supplementing with a pure omega-3 supplement may not be your best choice, because it's truly in the balance between the two, omega-3 and omega-6, that the body finds its best nutrition. Our bodies are all about small amounts that are highly assimilable and work together. No nutrient ever works alone. And so having this balance, which actually matches what a human needs, is incredibly beneficial. This is just a partial list of the many microminerals found in the algae. The truth is that every micromineral you need is found in this single wild food. Now, macronutrients, macro amounts of minerals, are those amount of minerals you need a whole lot of, like calcium and magnesium, phosphorus. Most of the minerals the human body needs are very, very minute amounts. And this is what algae in particular truly excels at providing to us. The antioxidants in AFA are many and varied, and most of them are pigments as well, which offer phenomenal benefits to human health. They include the green pigment chlorophyll, the blue pigments phycocyanin and phycocyanidin. Lutein and zeaxanthin are in the yellow pigment range. Glutathione and superoxide dismutase are enzyme antioxidants, which are incredibly important for human health. And then phenylethylamine, or PEA, along with immunon, which is a polysaccharide, are another family of antioxidants. So there is a broad spectrum of antioxidant protection found in this single tiny microcellular plant. Let's take a look at some of the antioxidants. Chlorophyll is a green pigment. It aids in gastrointestinal issues. It promotes the formation of hemoglobin and red blood cells, detoxifies toxins. It's beneficial in assimilating calcium, and it helps to fight infections. And if you take a look on the right, you notice that the chemical signature of hemoglobin, which is the red pigment that is essential for carrying oxygen, is nearly identical to the chemical structure of chlorophyll. The only difference is a single molecule of magnesium is swapped out for iron to go from chlorophyll to a red blood hemoglobin. So the intake of chlorophyll is incredibly beneficial for our oxygen carrying capacity. Phycocyanin is a blue pigment. It works in conjunction with chlorophyll. Research shows that it is an incredibly powerful antioxidant that has strong anti-inflammatory properties, and it is shown to protect healthy brain and nerve function. So it becomes something that really benefits your brain and nerve health. Phenylethylamine, or PEA, is an amino acid molecule that's also known as the love molecule. Studies suggest that PEA regulates neurons and transmits signals between neurons in the CNS, or central nervous system. It enhances mood and focus, reduces stress, and PEA is a powerful antioxidant. So again, we're talking about an antioxidant that is known to be incredibly beneficial for brain health. Superoxide dismutase, or SOD, belongs to a family of enzymes that play a critical antioxidant role in the human body. Glutathione is another powerful enzyme antioxidant that also plays key roles in many metabolic functions. Iron metabolism, synthesis, and repair of DNA and other proteins, and more are dependent on this enzyme. Sometimes called the master antioxidant, glutathione is the subject of a vast amount of research. Wild algae products include body. This is the whole wild microalgae, including its highly digestible cell walls. Mind. Mind is a concentration of the nutrients in the wild microalgae, which is created by carefully removing the algae's cell wall. And wild algae blend. The blend is equal parts of body for the physical benefits and mind for mental impact. Body is the whole algae gently dried. Its highly digestible cell walls are a rich source of proteins and polysaccharides, providing premium nutrients for tissues and cells. Body is rich in the wide spectrum of phytonutrients found in wild algae. It is also an adaptogen, meaning it supports the body's ability to resist stress and normalize itself. Eating body helps bring things into balance regardless of where you're starting from. Mind is the juice or the heart of the algae, created by carefully removing the algae cell wall through our proprietary solvent-free process. Mind is an abundant source of the raw materials for enhancing brain activity, including PEA and the pigment phycocyanin. The amino acids included provide the building blocks of healthy nerve cells and neurotransmitters, vital for optimal brain and nervous system function. Wild Algae Blend. Wild Algae Blend is equal parts of body and mind in a convenient powder form. It's a perfect wild ancient food addition to salads, shakes, or a daily green drink. It's also a perfect addition to your pet's foods. Nature's most perfect food. We really do consider AFA algae the best food on Earth. It is microblended into all of our new Earth products where its micronutrients potentize all the other ingredients, maximizing their potential benefits to you.